While you might think that a fish would stand no chance against a bird, a new video has seen the tables turn. The nail-biting footage shows a pike grabbing a grebe and slowly yanking it underwater in a river in Zegveld, the Netherlands. Onlookers intervened in the battle by throwing a stick at the fish, which many have criticized as disrupting the course of nature. The pike holds the grebe in its mouth, while the bird struggles to pull away. This tug-of-war continues for around 30 seconds before the pike yanks the bird underwater. The squabbling pair re-emerge at the surface, and the bird tries to bite the fish to urge it to let go. At this point, an onlooker decides to intervene by throwing a stick at the pair.The duo disappears underwater, and the bird is able to make its escape. The video was filmed in a river in Zegveld and has had over 300,000 views on YouTube. In the video, a huge pike can be seen holding a grebe in its mouth, while the bird struggles to pull itself away. This tug-of-war continues for around 30 seconds before the pike yanks the bird underwater. The squabbling pair re-emerge at the surface, and the bird can be seen trying to bite the fish to urge it to let go. At this point, an onlooker decides to intervene by throwing a stick at the pair.The duo disappears underwater, and the bird is able to make its escape. Martin Fowlie, media manager for RSPB, told MailOnline, "Pike are predators, eating all manner of fish and amphibians. They also take young ducks and moorhens. Only a really big pike would be able to attack and eat a bird as large as an adult great crested grebe." Some people supported the onlookers' decision to intervene.CB said, "Good surgery. Probably both animals did not survive otherwise." And Dave Smith added, "They could both have died if the gentleman had not thrown the stick." "So class men's top." Niels commented, "Do you also throw a beam of wood to a great critter, heron, cormorant, kingfisher, and so on, if they have caught a fish?" And Goldmine said, "Disturbance of nature -1. If you try to eat a steak, I do not throw a stick to your head.